In this session, let us learn about Java Lambda expressions. Lambda expressions were added in Java 8. A Lambda expression is a short block of code which takes in parameters and returns a value. Lambda expressions are similar to method, but they do not need a name and they can be implemented right in the body of a method. Syntax: a simple Lambda expression contains a single parameter and an expression. Say parameter expression. To use more than one parameter, write them in a parenthesis like this: parameter 1, parameter 2, expression. Expressions are limited. They have to immediately return a value and they cannot contain variables, assignments or statements such as if or for. In order to do more complex operations, a code block can be used with a curly braces. If the Lambda expressions need to return a value, then the code block should have a return statement. See here, parameter 1, parameter 2, code block. Using Lambda expressions. Lambda expressions are usually passed as parameters to a function. Use a Lambda expression in the arrays list for each method to print every item in the list. See, if we write and execute this code, the result returns is 5981 were printed. Lambda expressions can be stored in variables if the variable's type is an interface which has only one method. The Lambda expression should have the same number of parameters and the same return type as that method. Java has many of these kinds of interface built in, such as consumer interface found in the Java utility package used by lists. Use Java consumer interface to store a Lambda expression in a variable. See, if we write and execute this code, the output result printed this 5981. To use a Lambda expression in a method, the method should have a parameter with a single method interface as its type. Calling the interface method will run the Lambda expressions. Create a method which takes a Lambda expression as a parameter. See, if we write and execute this code, the result printed this hello hello. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 41, Java Lambda. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java file handling.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.